And let me introduce you. This is Ellen, one of our students in the ongoing class, and we're sharing ideas about finding an ending for Stormy Monday. And Ellen, show us what you came up with.
Okay, well, this one is part of the pentatonic scale in C.
So you're doing C. So
And then I'm sliding
and
open.
and and tell us what notes you're sliding.
I don't know.
Well, it's a D and then to a
An
E
E.
flat.
There you go.
Yeah, because when you're adding some bluesy stuff in the key of C, E flat is going me, me, me. Do it one more time for us, darling.